Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account with QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your account with QuickBooks, first, navigate to the QuickBooks login page. Enter your email address associated with your account. Click on the Forgot Password link located below the password entry field. You will be directed to a page asking for your email again. After entering your email, click the Send Email button. Check your email inbox for a message from QuickBooks. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it immediately. Open the email from QuickBooks and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be taken to a password reset page. Create a new password that meets QuickBooks security requirements. Once you've entered the new password, confirm it by typing it again. Click the Change Password button to finalize the reset. You will receive a confirmation message that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the QuickBooks login page. Enter your email and new password to log in. Once logged in, review your account settings to ensure everything is in order. If you encounter any issues, refer to QuickBooks support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.